Welcome to DJ
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome una once again to DJ MTV. Una WhatsApp channel where they summer una with ogbonge updates. My people, right now, the update will carry come for now this time around now about Nigerians wey be say they stay for South Africa. Una know say tomorrow na be the semi-final match between Super Eagles of Nigeria and the Bafana of South Africa. Right now update dey come say make Nigerians wey dey South Africa make dem no over celebrate tomorrow if e come be say Nigeria come finally win the match. My people, I go read una the updates now how this whole matter take come outside. Make una lis ten when they come back. Nigeria in South Africa have been warned to be mindful of where they watch the semi-final Africa Cup of Nations Afro clash between Super Eagles and Bafana to equally refrain from wide celebrations should the match be won by the Nigerian national team. The warning was issued in a statement titled "Advisory on Safe Conduct for Nigerians in South Africa Before, During and After 2024 AFCON Match Between Super Eagles and Bafana," issued by the Nigerian High Commission in South Africa. The statement read, "The attention of the Nigerian High Commission Pretoria has been drawn to potentially inflammatory online comments made by a section of South African citizens against Nigerians living in the host country, largely influenced by the upcoming 2024 Africa Cup of Nations (AFCON) semi-final match between the Super Eagles and the Bafana on Wednesday, 7th February 2024. Most of the comments consist of veiled threats against Nigerians cooking jollof rice before the match and showing pepper to Nigerians if the Bafana lose to Super Eagles, amongst others. In this regard, the High Commission hereby advised the Nigerian community to be watchful of their utterances, be mindful of where they choose to watch the match, especially in public places, and refrain from engaging in loud, rituals or provocative celebration should the Super Eagles win the match. Additionally, Nigerians should maintain the good conduct they are known for and be law-abiding before and after the match. Should any provocations arise, they should not be reciprocated but reported to the appropriate authorities. Michael Olugude in Abuja. Hey, my people, not be small thing. Hey, anything wey be say you all concern Nigerians, all this African country go all dey vex. They will all dey vex. And so Ghana all dey pray since so make Nigeria no go far. Ghana they all dey vex and say Nigeria enters semi-final. South Africa now they don carry this matter for head. They don dey find as they wan take you start another gbege again or another one again. Anyway, my people, the people wey dey say all the Nigerians wey say they stay for South Africa, make una dey very careful tomorrow because these people they are not happy at all. They are not happy for the wins of Nigeria so far. They are not happy at all. Make dem dey very careful. This update dey come as arise dey publish and I take read am for una just now because we don know their plans. The whole thing come be like say na game before but the way they come say they carry the matter, e come be like say they get wetin they dey drag. My people, how una reason this whole matter? How una see am? Because this one get as e. And then sabi, we wish the Super Eagles of Nigeria good luck tomorrow for their semi-final match between South Africa. My people, how una see this whole matter na reason? Make una drop una comment too and make una no forget to like and share, and also make una follow us on all our social media handles. DJ MTV. Una do well. See you in our next video. DJ MTV. DJ MTV.